So basically, my speed sensor for the rear broke off, and I already did a lot of the hard work. Gonna make it as easy as possible. So it's a 10 millimeter, and it's not supposed to look like that. Just snapped it off. It's great stuff. So, single bolt that holds it in. Nothing fancy. And it pops right out. You know, just use a 10 millimeter, if I can talk right. Yeah, wrench is not really going to work out all that well. So yeah, it's right here. Very, very awkward to try and record it. But right about here, won't focus. Well, I can't see it either, but there's a hole right there, and you just pop it in, and that's where your bolt's going to go through. So it's nothing fancy, just a quick 10 mil. Down to the nitty gritty. See that black piece in there? Yeah, that's the rest of the actual sensor I gotta get out of there. So I'm gonna poke and prod at it and see what I can get to grab it out and let you know. So I found that just sticking it in there, working it back and forth like that, it's coming out pretty good. With my other hand, just kind of holding that back. It's a little keeper that holds it in. You can barely see it right in here. A little piece of plastic, so you got to keep that depressed the whole time to keep it open. You can barely see it moving, but yeah. Doing that and just kind of working it back and forth like that. Seems to be working so far. Alright, so this little piece was a bear. It was stuck inside, so I just jammed it into the hole, worked it side to side like that, and eventually could just grab the sides, just the very edge of the sides, and just kind of wiggle it out the whole way. Completely snapped off of it. But not really hard. 10 millimeter wrench. Get a ratchet, you know, whatever you're comfortable with. It's a tight spot. That's pretty much all there is to it. Very uncomfortable. If you don't have a spare tire underneath there, get a little bit more room. Overall, still sucks, but you can do it in about 15 minutes. And that's taking your time.